Hello one and all. Welcome back to NEET Biology by PEBBLEZ Pedagogy. Today I am back again with another video which would be continuing with Kingdom Monera. In the previous video we have discussed about a few introductory aspects of Monera, the characteristic features of the organisms belonging to this kingdom and examples as well. As you can see on the screen, you can make out that, and we have also discussed in the previous video that Kingdom Monera can be categorized into two groups. It has bacteria which are grouped into Archaeobacteria and the other group namely Eubacteria, which is also called as true bacteria. Today in this video we would be discussing about Archaeobacteria. You may all remember that bacteria are present everywhere. There are different shapes of bacteria, different types of bacteria. The mode of nutrition which we have discussed in the previous video, the mode of nutrition is varied, is very diverse with respect to bacteria. Some of them might be autotrophs in that they might be photosynthetic or chemosynthetic. Some of them might be heterotrophs, as in they might be parasitic or saprophytic in nature. And as I've already discussed, as I've already told at the beginning of this video, I said that there are a many of these bacteria which inhabit the entire world. They take up any space available in the world, right? Here is the important aspect which I would like to discuss with respect to Archaeobacteria. First and foremost, Archaeobacteria are known to inhabit the most harsh habitats. What do you understand by this? That means these bacteria can live, survive, thrive in the most difficult regions. All right, here are a few examples. They can survive in extremely salty areas, and you can find salty areas in India all along the coasts, right? And a few salt lakes. Such bacteria which are known to inhabit extremely salty areas are called as Halophiles. Alright, I repeat, bacteria take up any space in the world. They are known to survive in the most difficult environments. Alright, here we are discussing about those bacteria that particularly survive in extremely salty areas. All along the coast you can find salty regions, right? So such bacteria which inhabit extremely salty regions are called as Halophiles. Moving on to the next type, or rather I would call it the second type, right? Don't need to have this one. Yeah, okay, let me call this one the second one. The second most difficult place to inhabit for any living organism other than these bacteria is the hot springs, or are the hot springs. In India you can find hot springs along a few regions in Meghalaya, and Sikkim, right? There the temperatures might go as high as 49 degrees Celsius and the pH might be 9. So it is more quite difficult for any organism to survive. But bacteria which are known to survive in such hot springs are called as thermoacidophiles, or you can say thermoacidophils. Okay, thermo meaning temperature, right? Now bacteria which survive in hot springs are called as thermoacidophils or thermoacidophiles. In India, you can find such hot springs in Sikkim and in Meghalaya. Then moving on to the third category of the harsh climate, marshy areas. The marshy areas are very difficult for other organisms to survive, whereas a few bacteria can really thrive here. Such bacteria are called as methanogens. You will be in for a shock if I say that the guts of bacteria, gut as in the digestive tract, the guts, not the gut feeling, the gut as in the digestive system or the digestive tract, the gut of cows, buffaloes actually are such marshy areas. Apart from the fact that there are a few cold deserts in India, such as Ladakh, where you can find such marshy areas, and in those places you can find methanogens, or methanogens survive in such marshy areas. Alright, I hope this is now clear for you. We have discussed about this. This is actually the second part for Kingdom Monera, wherein we have looked into Archaeobacteria, and mainly, what makes Archaeobacteria so very good at surviving in such difficult climates? It is actually their cell walls, which make them survive such harsh climatic regions or climatic conditions. So I would like to reiterate, halophiles are those bacteria which are found in salty areas. Bacteria found in hot springs are called as thermoacidophiles. Those which inhabit marshy areas are called as methanogens. And for your understanding, you may know that since these bacteria are present, methanogens are present in the guts of cows, they help in producing methane, right? So this sums up this particular topic about Archaeobacteria. In the next video, I shall be discussing with you about true bacteria, that is eubacteria. Until then, please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Stay safe. Bye-bye.